Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery Budgie. My name's Gina. My cats are MIA. It's getting dark outside, but y'all, I got a Torrid haul in the mail. So I just wanted to show you real fast what's in here. I'll try it all on tomorrow or the next day or sometime. I'll get this video out to you. Oh my goodness, y'all. Torrid haul. So, y'all know Torrid. It's kind of, it caters more to us girls with curves a lot more than other stores do. So we absolutely love it. I did some great Halloween hauls from there. Got some stuff that I don't care if it's supposed to be a Halloween costume. I'm gonna wear that thing year round. It's a cape. It's the cape from Hocus Pocus. Oh, I love it. But this is what I got in today's haul. It's just a few things. They're all individually wrapped. I'm gonna unwrap them and I'll show you what I got. Y'all, so I was sitting here, I'm unwrapping everything, and you know, I'm sitting here, I thought it was just a random haul, and I started unwrapping everything thinking, I could actually wear all this together as one outfit. And so I'm pulling all these plastic bags out from my lap where I've stuffed them all, and I can't find my remote. I'm like looking everywhere for my remote. Y'all, I put it in the bag with the plastic. It's so goofy. But I'm gonna show you these clothes now. Yeah. So this is why I thought it was random. I don't remember setting this up as an outfit. I probably wouldn't wear it as an outfit altogether, but I can try it on as an outfit for you. But y'all, headband, earrings, denim, shirt, and a jacket. That's what I ended up getting. I really didn't plan it that way. But this is the gray, cozy brown bow, bow headband. I've been trying to be more of a headband girl, y'all. I really want to be a headband girl, but a lot of them, I don't want to pay what they ask for them. So this one is originally $14.50. Look at the big bow that is on there. It's really cute. It's gray, so it's gonna go with a lot of stuff. I paid $6.52 before tax for it. So very cute. Look at this. What do we think? I know my hair's a mess today, y'all. And it's sticking on top of my clip I have on. Do we like it? Do we think we should keep it? Or is it just too much? That's a lot of bulk up there. Kind of reminds me of that 80s headband I put on. But we loved it, didn't we? Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Alright, so there's the headband. I can't believe I got it. But yeah, I just had to. My hair is not curl anymore. It's frazzle dazzle because I was frazzled today. So here are the earrings. They're huge. They're a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be. Oh my goodness. I do like a big earring sometimes though. I'm wearing my Coach earrings today, y'all. On my Coach necklace. I felt a little special wearing it. Look at these things. I mean, look at that. This is like faux suede with the fray. And y'all. You won't be able to see them in my hair. But if I do an updo, look at that. Look at that. That's, oh my god. Yeah, I'm excited. They, like I said, a faux suede rhinestone earrings. These were originally $14.50. And I paid $6.98. That's okay. The same thing for the headband. I normally will go on when there is some sort of sale. Torrid does this thing called Torrid Cash. For every $50 you spend, they're going to give you $25 worth of Torrid Cash. You have a certain amount of time, a certain period to spend that Torrid Cash in, but once you do, you're pretty much getting half off of whatever you're getting. So that is what I love about Torrid. I just keep buying stuff because I want to use my Torrid Cash and get everything half off. It's a catch-22. I know it is, but I still love it. So there are the earrings. Now here are the denim. These are, whoops, gel pack. These are Torrid, hashtag feel the fit, Bombshell flare jeans. I got them in a size 10 regular. I've been trying to see what I can fit into size 10 wise. Some things I'm still a 12, some things I'm a 10. These Bombshell high rise I paid $40.29 for. Originally they're $89.50 worth a jean. So let's look at them. Ooh, will I be a bombshell? Are they going to be high-waisted enough? They say they're high-rise. They're going to be stretchy enough. Ooh, look at that. They're going to be long. Look at that wide hem. I love a wide hem at the bottom of a flare denim like this. I really think it's cute. Oh my goodness. I'm probably going to love them if they fit right. Cross your fingers, everybody. So cute. All right, let me get on. Wait till you see this. Oh my goodness. Too excited, too excited. Look, y'all, it's a kitty face. Y'all, to me, this looks very Halloween-y, but look at that kitty face. It is a cold shoulder, which you know I'm really kind of over the cold shoulder, but for this kitty, I just had to. It is soft. It's adorable. You could throw it under anything. So cute. Look at that kitty. Oh my goodness, I can't stand it. I know, I'm too excitable today. Cold shoulder tee, Triblend jersey cat face in black. This is in a size 00, which is pretty much their large, I believe. Because their sizes is 10 to 30. So, you know, vanity size is 00. I like the fact that I could fit in a 00. It's exciting. Originally $39.50. And I paid $17.77. So good deal. Cute top. Ooh, I can't wait to try it on. And this is the last thing I got. This is an Anorak jacket. And I love these Anorak jackets, and I love the jackets that have like the sweater sleeves, because so many times I'll get like a denim jacket or Anorak jacket, something like that, and they'll pull tight when I go forward. So when I'm driving, I feel like it's tight here. So I love these sweater sleeves, and it does give it such a cute little detail. This is the Anorak Twill in super soft plush olive, originally $89.50. So I paid $40.27 for it. So great deal. It does have a hood as well. Look how cute it is, y'all. It'll cinch at the waist. You can put it as tight as you want at the waist. It's got the hidden buttons. Let's see, this one's a button. The rest are snaps, and then it zips. It's not too heavy. It's just the right size for my weather, where, you know, sometimes it's hot and sometimes it's got Callie's playing on paper on the bed. Today the wind is a little cold, but yeah, we've had 60, 70 degree weather, and then it'll freeze at night, you know. But anyway, so we're gonna try all this stuff on, and we'll see what we think and what we like. Y'all, don't forget to comment and tell me what you like and what you don't like, what you would want to see, what you don't want to see. All that good stuff. I want to hear it. I wish Callie would come over here and play in front of y'all. So cute. She's such a goofball. Please don't forget to press that notification bell so you know when I've got new stuff coming out. Press the like button. It really does help my channel when you press the like button, and also when you subscribe. So please subscribe, and please encourage your friends to subscribe as well. There is a share button where you can actually share it via text, email, social media, any other way that, you know, it makes it pretty easy to share. So I'd appreciate it if you do. Y'all, I'll see you back in a second. All right, y'all, this is about as close as I'm gonna get to being able to show you what I'm wearing today, because it's a mess in here. This top I got from Cato's. Tank top I got from Walmart. It's a black tank top underneath it. These faux leather leggings I got from Target. And these shoes, where did these shoes? Y'all, I don't even remember. I'll look at and put it down below, but look, you can make them tall if you want. Oh, I can't stand today. You can fold them up to your knee or you can fold them down. These shoes I get compliments on. And of course, the Coach jewelry I got from FabFitFun. So I'll see y'all back tomorrow with a new outfit and all these clothes. So here is my outfit for today. Y'all, I got up thinking it was gonna be cold. So I thought, oh, I'm gonna put my vest on. I love this vest that I got from Maurice's. It's a little oversized on me, but yeah, it is snuggly wuggly warm. And then I realized it's 67 degrees outside. So yeah, it's a little too snuggly wuggly warm for today. It's December. It's like December 14th and it's 67 degrees. The top I have underneath it is a Lush brand. I can't remember where I got it because I got it last season when I was a 2X. So this one is a 2X. But y'all, this is what I don't like about it. It's one of these, it's got a roll tab, but they don't stay rolled. I've rolled them like 4 times today and they just fall. So anyway, we'll work with it, right? My jeans are actually Banana Republic Faux Suede. And man, do I love these jeans. They are so comfy, so soft. Oh, love them. And my jewelry today did come from Boxycharm. So let's get to trying clothes on. So what do we think of the Torrid outfit, y'all? Look at these earrings. Oh my goodness. Are they not funky or what? Headband, I do feel like it gives me a little bit of an off balance vibe. I don't know that I'm in love with that, but cute with the jacket. Look how cute this jacket is, y'all. I do wish it gave me a little more of a waist. I tried to cinch it up a little more, and I probably could still cinch it up a bit more and give more of a waist, but I don't want to look too small either. Let's zip it and see what happens. I never zip my stuff up that high. Let's be honest. It would be like that. This is how I'd wear it. I do wish it also had pockets right here and not just the pockets that go like this, because I'm such a stick my hands in my pocket person. But I do like the vibe it's giving off. Now, I don't know that I'd want to wear this with another long sleeve under it, because it just makes this feel a little tight. So I think I'm gonna probably try it on with the short sleeve as well, just to see how it goes with that. Probably couldn't wear a sweater underneath. And it does have the hood too, y'all. I'm not gonna put it up. Well, I guess I can put it up. It's hard to do with this big floofy hair. Yeah, that's silly. All right, let's look at the shirt. I played with the jacket. Now we're gonna look at the shirt. So I love the kitty cat on it. I think it's super cute, but these sleeves are a little tight, like can't pull them up tight. And I'm really over the cold shoulder thing. So even though I think the kitty is adorable, I don't know that I'm gonna keep this top. Very cute though. Kind of on the fence about the headband too. I'm not sure that I love it, simply because this is so bulky right here and there's nothing right there. So I'm not sure I'm gonna keep this either. Y'all let me know what you think. As always, comment down below. Tell me what you think of everything, what I should keep, what I shouldn't keep, what I should try, what I shouldn't try. All that good stuff. I want to read it all. So now we're going to look at these jeans. So I love that they're long. I love the wide bottom to them. Not just the bell bottom, but the wide hem. And they're comfy. They are a little tight, but I think that they'll stretch to where they won't be too tight for me. What do y'all think? I think they do nice things for the derriere. I don't know how I feel about this right here though. I don't know, I'm kind of thinking about keeping these jeans. Y'all let me know what you think. I'll see you back in a second. All right, I'm back. Kelly's on the bed still. Oh, she heard me say her name. She's doing the upside. Hey mommy, come pet me. What a mess, y'all. All right, so let's go back over all this stuff. Yeah, I don't know why I pulled it up on the website, because it tells you the original price on the website. It's my price sheet that I need to tell you what I actually paid for everything. So we're gonna go through where the earrings. So the earrings, $6.52. Y'all, after I took them off, I realized they're missing a few rhinestones. Would that bother y'all? Because I was actually thinking about keeping these. I don't know that it's gonna bother me too bad. I still think they're fun, funky. I don't know. Should I trade them in? I did already put them on, so I feel like I should keep them because I put them in my ears. Let me know what y'all think about that, and we'll move on to the next item. So the pants, even though they are a little on the tight side, I feel like they'll stretch out, y'all. Whenever I was taking them off, I accidentally ripped the tag off. So for that too, I know they would still take them back, but I am probably just gonna go ahead and keep them. I thought they were comfy. I love that these have the wide hem at the bottom, because then they don't tend to flap up as much, you know. Y'all do that. It's like they just fold up, and I'm not an ironer. I don't iron. So I'm actually thinking about keeping these. I just need them to stretch just a teeny tiny bit, but if I go up a size, I think they'd be too big. They were 40 bucks, a little over 40 bucks. I think that's decent for a pair of pants. This Anorak jacket, although I love the style of it, I feel like I would want to get it in a bigger size if I got it, because these sleeves were just so tight. Even after I took off the cat shirt, I actually, with no shirt at all, put them on, and they still felt a little too tight for me. You know, I'm a big girl. I got some big arms. So I'm probably going to send this back, even though I'll be sad about it. 40 bucks. But you're probably going to go back to the store. Even though it's right up my alley. Very cute. Just not exactly the fit I wanted. The headband. $6.52. Should I keep the headband, y'all? I don't know. Just with the way that it kind of gives you that asymmetrical, because the knot is over here and there's not a lot of floof over here. I'm not sure I'm in love with it. But yet again, I put it on. I feel like I should keep it. So what do y'all think? Let me know if you think I should return the headband or not. The last thing, the kitty shirt. Y'all, is it bad that I just want to cut the sleeves off of it and keep it? I don't know. I mean, I love the kitty on it. I don't know that I love the cold shoulder of it. It is a little high on the neck. $17. I probably will be sad and just return this as well and save my money. So, keeping the jeans, possibly keeping the earrings, possibly keeping the headband, everything else going back. What do y'all think? How did you like this outfit from Torrid that I didn't even intend on buying, just an outfit? Would you like to see more videos where I simply buy one outfit and show you each individual piece on the outfit? Or do you like these just off the wall hauls? Let me know what you think. Comment below. And while you're down there, I would love it if you press that notification bell so you know when I'm putting out new videos. Share with your friends, y'all. Tell everybody about the channel. I'm trying to grow that channel. I want to get to 1,000. Saturday, December the 12th, it was actually my 1-year anniversary for YouTube, and I would have loved to have been 1,000 by then, but I'm not. So please press that subscribe button. It'll help me to get there. It helps the channel. I really do appreciate it. Hi baby girl. And also give this video a thumbs up. Please press that like button. I really appreciate it so very much. So does Miss Callie Cat, who has decided that Mama's lap is the place to be right now. Alright y'all, thank you so much for spending time with me. Have a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate. I really, from the bottom of my heart, hope you enjoy it. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.